reverse. It's Gaucho and no part of it.
Oh, the top of our hill! It's the old general. And from the Elven camp, once again, Sophia! I know that one.
Yeah, very flash. Oh, that is one flash. Oh, that's very flash indeed.
Oh, it's a good thing the forces of good and evil. However, over here it seems to be the dark side. And if he wants to achieve supremacy, it'll be with
Your help. That's what you move.
Oh, she's upside down, fishing down, I'm walking in the clouds, it's Zana! Oh, see birthday, you guys are going to ask those guys what happened. Okay, one's got charisma, the other's got extra. It's our two old captains. Okay, how's the contest going? Who thinks the Orcs are winning? Who thinks the Elven Princesses are winning? You're losing. Oh, that's something special. Ladies and gentlemen, Lord Leicester. Oh, sit backward! Sit over!
Oh, that is true. No, they're not. That is true.
Oh, that's the feeling that everything's playful. Oh, my word! Sophia!
Well, in the year of 1993, and also was champion there in 2004, and is owned by Les Davies, who are actually two now fronting career up to Penang. Now we have Correveros, the black stallion from all in the world. Because these, in their own right, have won and gone on to achieve the highest accolade by winning. Some of them have won the George Prince of Wales. If I may ask Harwell to allow these royal winners to come here today. Now then, we have coming in front of me here now is number 1 of 4, and that is 9-time student here. And she has done a wonderful job for Miss Amanda and Tina Jones. And she's won quite a year, quite a lot. Student here is a corporate study who stands at public service for the lifetime at the moment. He is much loved. Number 1 of 5 is coming in front of me now is another lifetime Tuesday. And this one is also the same family, but it's the mother of Euphemia. So I think that one is the mother of the previous one. So there's a family connection. And this animal is quite well